was last year, and I saw you in English 6. We had to help her out of the dock.
What happened? Yeah, did you see her spine?
What did you guys do after last night? Just came home?
Say cheese.
We went to Beth Ann's, and then they never showed up, and then
I'm taking a picture of the big
We
boy.
went to Beth Ann's and who never showed up?
Beth Ann's, so she did it again for a later.
New form of filming.
You probably
Did you get a picture of the cake?
Of course. What cake? Oh, yeah, I think I did. This is the cake.
I wish they'd make something that would like shoot flies away. Kind of wavelength thing.
Oh, I'm sorry, I got it. Oh, thank goodness she did.
Big Susie made those ones.
Nayard, Donald,
Why don't you do it when it's not upside down?
Eram, Sil, Doug.
I swear, I don't know why we give you and Mom that camera.
I make things interesting, that's why.
Container of briars, and there is also a plastic container with strawberry and vanilla, and another one.
Stephanie, come here.
Here, Stephanie, here. I think give Stephanie this if she wants it.
No.
Get Stephanie some ice cream.
When they're done, just let me know. Like, put them up front and meet them.
Here, give Stephanie that. She wants to
Stephanie, you want chocolate? What kind of ice cream you want? Want vanilla ice cream? Want chocolate cake? Want vanilla ice cream? White? Here. Okay, come on.
Tommy, want some cake? We got strawberry cake and chocolate.
Okay, Annalise, I got you these. Here it is.
Oh, he's fine, Mom.
What kind of ice cream?
Hi, honey. Take your hand away, honey. Come on.
You know I don't like
I said afterwards, that wasn't the smartest thing to say either, but that's nothing new.
What's that?
Do you know school